Online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Using cookies. Second one is by using HTTP sessions, and third one is by using URL rewriting. Start our online students, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Kindly please respond to the chat for me, guys. Online students, please check. Can you hear me? Can you see the screen? Please respond to the chat for me. Perfect. Perfect. Yes. A very, very good morning, guys. Very, very good morning. So, yes, you can hear me. You can see the screen. All right. Let us start our today's session. So, guys, yes, before starting our today's sessions, as always, let us just try to have a very, very small and quick recap on the concepts that covered in our last 3 to 4 days of our session. Of course, we've been discussing about session management. Yes, we know basically what is a session, and we know that we can manage, we can track a user's session in 4 ways. That is, first one is by using cookies, second one is by using HTTP sessions, and third one is by using URL rewriting. Finally, last one is by using hidden form fields. Currently, we've been discussing about cookies, right? Speak out. Yes. And in order to exhibit the concept of cookies, we've been working on a particular project. Just a second. Let me, yeah. First, we completed with this first layout. Successfully done. We already completed that. After that, we've been working on the second layout. So yesterday we discussed about user login. Okay, user login DAO completed. View profile servlet. Okay, done. View profile servlet done. And view profile JSP. In view profile servlet only, we are trying to retrieve the cookie. Did you remember that? Actually, we used a method known as get cookies method. Return type for that get cookies method is array, which array cookie array. And we are using for each loop to retrieve the cookie. And with the help of our logic, we are trying to get the value of the cookie. That is what we are trying to pass through multiple requests. Yes. And yeah, we discussed about view profile done. And after that, edit, of course, yesterday we already completed edit profile servlet. And after completing edit profile servlet, edit profile JSP. In edit profile JSP, basically this is, yeah, just a second. Let me just try to execute it. Right click, run on server. Okay. And password, just trying to log in. Right. And view profile. Yes, we are able to view that and edit profile. So whenever we are dealing with edit profile, we are trying to provide these options to edit. Up to here, is it completed, guys, for everyone? I need you to kindly please respond. Yes. Okay. Now, our intention is this is actually edit profile.jsp. And in this edit profile.jsp, we are having a form action. So if we gave a click on update, I repeat, if we gave a click on update, that should be redirected to edit profile servlet. Edit profile servlet is going to deal with, sorry, update profile servlet. Update profile servlet is going to deal with update profile DAO. Okay, okay, okay. Basically, we are having our database. Let me just, oh, sorry. Okay. System, manager, and set line size 200. CLECT select star from, what is our table name, guys? Registration. Okay, REGISTRATION. Registration. Okay, okay. Basically, this is the data. This is our data. Fine, fine, fine. I got it. Now, my intention is I want to update. I want to update first name, last name, mail ID, phone number. First name, last name, mail ID, phone number. Could you please try to tell me the query for updating? Just a second. Please tell me the query. Update word by word. Update. Update REGISTRATION. Registration. Set. FIRST. Okay, FIRST. First name equal to question mark. After that, what I need to write? N or comma? Comma. LASTNA. Last name equal to question mark. Comma. Please tell me. Please tell me. Mail ID equal to question mark. Comma. THONE. Is it phone or phone number? Phone. Just a second. Let me DSC. registration, phone. Okay, cool. Phone equal to question mark. Please tell me. WHERE where USER username equal to question mark. Basically, this is a query. Okay, cool. Update, update, registration, set, first name, last name, mail ID, phone number. Okay. You know that all these details, this entire row is present in an object. I'm speaking about our Java program. Which object? Bean object. And did you remember we set that as a parameter for servlet context? Did you remember that? Come on. Keep that point in mind. Just keep that point in mind. Okay. Now let's try to, okay, right now, you tell me we are currently at edit profile.jsp. If we gave a click on submit, if we gave a click on submit or update, sorry. If we gave a click on update, we need to redirect to update profile servlet. Now you tell me which file we need to create right now. Update profile servlet or update profile JSP. I'm giving you some options. You can choose those from those options, or else you can tell me completely another answer. Did you understand my question? My question is, if we gave a click on update, obviously we need to redirect to update profile servlet. Now you tell me first right now what I need to create. Update profile servlet or update profile JSP? Update profile servlet JSP? Absolutely not. Come on, guys. We need to create update profile DAO. Why? Because update profile servlet is supposed to interact with update profile DAO, na? Yes? Then come on, let's go. Let's try to create. Okay, app 10. Please try to code along with me. Start the code along with me. Java resources, SRC, DAO. Yes. Right click on DAO, go to new, select a class, update DRO profile, DAO, finish. Okay, update profile DAO. Now inside this, let me just try to take a class, public int update PROFILE, or else update record, update RECORD, update record. And here I'm going to take my user bean as a parameter here. I need to set the values. User bean as a parameter. Now int row count, out of COUNT, row count equal to 0, RETURN return row count. After that, yes, you know it, I know it, try CATCH catch, EXEPT exception E, and E dot print stack trace method. And here we need to get my connection db connect dot get con method. Get con equal to con belongs to connection interface. And after that, let's start with the con dot prepare statement. And here we need to give our query update registration. Okay, we update registration set first time. Okay, now equal to pstmt belongs to prepared statement. Yeah, okay, prepared statement done. Now after that we need to set the values. Pstmt dot set string 1. Here I'm going to write ub dot get first name. Okay, so totally how many question marks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is 2, 3, 4, 5. Get first name, get last name, and after that get mail ID, and this is get phone number, and here this is get username. I mean get username. That's it. Done. After that, let me just try to write pstmd dot execute query or execute update. Execute update, obviously. And you know that return type is actually row count. I'm just trying to write row count, and yeah, I'm just returning it. That's it, done. Yeah, tell me the line number. Line number 16. Oh, username equal to question mark. Great, thank you. That's it, done. Update profile solid. Good job. How many of you completed? If possible, please raise. Okay, that is great. So shall we go with update solid? Update profile solid, guys. Shall I go with update profile solid, or let's wait for 1 minute or 2 minutes? Wait for 2 minutes. Okay, I'll wait for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. extends. Okay, inside the servlet package, go to new, select class, update profile profile, servlet, update profile servlet. Okay. So same here also, extends HTTP servlet, and we are using the method post. So yeah, fine. PROTACTD protected void. Yeah, protected void do post. I strongly advise you to use the annotation. Okay, and HTTP servlet request req comma HTTP servlet response res throws servlet exception comma IO exception. And here, please make sure to write our web servlet annotation also. Otherwise, there is a huge possibility that you will be forgetting it. Update. So this is the URL update. All right, done. Now, yes, inside update profile servlet also, let me just try to take string fname equal to null. After that, let us try to get our cookies. Same concept, as the same concepts here. So response dot get, oh sorry, request req request dot get to cookies, and here equal to, let me just try to go like c, oh sorry, err of type cookies. Okay, cookies, and after that again, if you know the code, guys, if err equal to null, what do you mean by that? If this array is equal to null, means session expired. Absolutely. Let me just try that request dot set attribute message, and same as the same as the as a session expired, session expired, and I'm going to forward this to request dot get request dispatcher registr register dot jsp dot forward request response. Done. Else, now this is where things will be getting interesting. Else request dot get servlet context equal to context context belongs to servlet context. Now context dot get attribute. What is the attribute we have given for our first servlet context? Just a second, where is it? User login, ubin. This is a name, na? We set the attribute as ubin. Same, I'm trying to get it here. Ubin equal to ub belongs to user bin, and of course I need to typecast. Okay, dot. Can you please write up to here? After that, I'll speak. Just up to here. First write. First code up to here. All right, guys. I request you to stop coding for a minute. Just a second, please. Stop coding. Stop coding. Everyone, please stop coding. Okay. Okay. Great. For the first time, we created our context or attribute on user login servlet. User login servlet. We used request dot get servlet context, and its return type is servlet context, and we try to set the attribute on servlet context. You know that we'll be able to set the attributes on how many objects? Three objects. What are those? Servlet context, servlet request, and HTTP session. Okay. Now for the first time, we set the attribute on servlet context inside a servlet. Yes or no? Inside a servlet. Come on. Okay. Now, after setting the attribute here, where we get the attribute? After setting the attribute in user login servlet, where we get the attribute? In our JSP, we get the attribute now. Here, home.jsp. Can you see this? But as we are trying to deal with JSP, which object we are using? Application. I told you, context for servlet context, we are having application. Totally, how many implicit objects are available in JSP? Nine. In those nine implicit objects, one of the object is application. Application is actually similar to servlet context. So application dot get attribute. One more time, please answer the question. Where we set the attribute on user, no, on user login servlet. Where we get the attribute on home.jsp. JSP. Okay, okay. This is cool. Fine. Right now, what I'm doing in update profile servlet, if you observe, again, I'm trying to get my context, servlet context, and in servlet also, I'm trying to get the attribute. Did you understand line number 31? Please tell me. If anyone did not understand, do let me know right now. Did you understand line number 31? Yes? I speak. Okay. For example, let me come to home.jsp. Here we are trying to get the attribute. Which attribute we are getting? User bean. In that user bean, what is the data present? In that user bean, basically this is a key and this is a value. Yes. Now this is a value. Now in this bean object, we are having the entire data of the record. Username and password. Which record is matching with the username and password? Yes or no? Now here, request.get parameter, username and password. Check login method. In check login method, we are writing a query. Select start from registration where username and password. If username and password is matching, that entire record, that entire row, we are passing that row into user bean. And that user bean, we are trying to get here, where here in user login. Yes. And exactly the same object we are setting as a parameter for context. Am I clear with that? Now, in home.jsp, whenever I'm trying to get the attribute, okay, this is a bean object. Now, inside this bean object, we are having username, password, first name, last name, mail ID, phone number. Yes or no? Please speak. Yes or no? How how all that data is there? How the data is there means, sir, in user login servlet, we are calling check login method. Na? In check login method, literally we are setting the data. We are setting the data. Guys, literal core Java. Am I clear with that? Please speak. Okay, now wait, again, one more time. In home.jsp, in this bean object, by using this bean object, can I get username? Can I get password? First name, last name, mail ID, phone number? Yes. Now, exactly the same. Right now, I'm speaking about, just a second, update profile servlet. Now, in update profile servlet, again, I'm trying to call get servlet context method and return type is servlet context. Now, with the help of that servlet context, again, I'm trying to get the attribute. What is the name I have given? Ubin. Same name I am giving here, Ubin. And here also I will be able to get my user bean. Now tell me, in this user bean, the entire record will be there, na? Please tell me. What is the record? Am I able to get my first name, last name, mail ID, phone number, username, address? Everything will be there. Now what I'll be doing, I'll be trying to modify this object. Means, please observe. ub dot set first name. ub dot set first name. Okay, Ram. I'll do one thing. For example, no need to worry, very simple, very literally, very simple concept. Right now, please consider this as our user bean. Okay, let's consider that this as our user bean. In our user bean, we are having username 1234 password. We are having username, password. After that, first name. After that, last name. Okay, last name. After that, me kishan@gmail.com. Kishan at the rate of gmail.com. And after that, some phone number. What is that? 86541. 86541. Okay, some phone number is there. Right now, these are the values. Just a second. Let me. Okay. These are the values which are present in my user bean. These are the values. Okay. Now, okay, what I'll be trying to do, okay, this is username, this is password. Okay, just give me a minute, please. This is, just a second. Uname, this is password, this is fname, this is L. By using this user bean, I'm trying to write ub.set fname. I'm just trying to write like this. Now here, inside this, if I write something like instead of Kishan, I'm just going to write a KISHANNN like this. If I'm writing like this, now what happens? This value will be updated here. Yes or no? Please respond. Now my intention is this value, I want to get that value from here. Whatever the data which is given by the user. Please tell me, did you understand this? Okay, for example, here, can I write request dot get parameter double quotes, and this is just a second. Where is our edit profile.jsp? Okay, now here can I write here uf name? I hope you're getting the concept here. Now same, exactly the same. How many values I have given? Four values. First name, after that last name, after that mail. Just a second. Mail ID, and after that, what is the last one, guys? Phone. Just let me write right here. Phone. Now, please give me a minute. Tell me here. UF name. Here you L name. Exactly same here. Here you mail ID. Same as the same. And here you phone. That's it. Done. And now after that, what I'll be doing? Okay, I gave all the values. Now my user bean, I'm trying to pass that user bean as a parameter for update profile DAO. We are having update profile DAO now. In this update profile DAO, there is a method. What is the method? Update record. Okay, let's go. Now here, where is this update profile servlet? New. I'm going to create an object. New update profile DAO dot update record, and I'm passing this user bean. I'm passing the user in. That's it. Okay. Now equal to int or just ROW int row count. Simply what I'm going to do, if row count is equal to 0, simply row throw new runtime exception. Simply I'm going to write data not updated. Data not updated. Okay. Else let me just try to write request dot set attribute, sorry, request dot set attribute. I'm just trying to go like message record record updated. That's it. Now I'll try to get my cookie here. Now here ARR is there na? Let me just try to use for each ARR cookie C, and here if C, you know what is the cookie name we have given? ck1 dot equals c dot get name, and here c dot get value. I'm assigning that to f name. Same previously, same code we have written. F name. Done. Now after that, okay, everything is done. I'm going to add this cookie to my response dot add cookie. Which cookie I'm going to add? Just let me try to go like hang on, I just want to, you know what? No, not the cookie. Let me just try to request dot set attribute. I'm just trying to go like f name, and f name. After that, request dot get request dispatcher, and what is the name I have given here? Update profile dot JSP. Okay. Update profile dot JSP dot forward request response. That's it. In update profile.jsp, I'll try to display this message. I mean, this message record updated, and I'll say session belongs to fname. This session belongs to fname. And again, I want to go with my use, I mean, logout also. That's it. Up to here, kindly please try to write the code. After that, we'll see the execution. Go ahead. You wrote the servlet like this. You said that servlet is completed. Yeah, please try to modify the code. Please try to modify the code. Give the names correctly, guys. These names, you need to give them correctly. Otherwise, the data will not be updated. You will be getting null. Online students, if completed. Kindly please try to message me in the chat. And students, if update profile servlet completed, please message me so that message me in the chat so that I'll deal with update profile.jsp. Guys, can I move on with update profile.jsp? Is it complete for everyone? Offline students. Respond. Yes? No? How many are writing this? Raise hands. Writing. Okay, 1 minute. Deal with update profile.jsp. Web app. Right click on web app. Go to new. Select JSP. Update profile.jsp. Give a click on next and finish. We have our update profile.jsp. Just send a tag and I just want to write H1. Okay, H1. And no, Shruti, in update profile.jsp, no need to display the updated data. Please give an option to display. Please give a click, I mean, give an option to click view profile. Whenever we are viewing the profile, obviously the data will be displayed again, right? Yeah. So H1. And as I said, let us just try to use our scriptlet tag. Inside the scriptlet tag, first things first, request dot get attribute f name here. Of course, we need to typecast this into string equal to string f name. F and a and a string f name. All right. Now again, just let me try to write one more. And here I want to get my message also. Message. Which message? Update profile. Yeah, this message. Record updated. I want to display that. Okay. So message. Now after that, let me just try to write out.println. Out.println. This session belongs to this session belongs to plus f name. And here I just want to go with the br and br to break statements. And I want to display out.println message also just to break statements. Means record updated successfully done. And after displaying that, again, I want, as I said, I want to give you an option to view profile and logout. So just let me try to go with these anchor tags. That's it. View profile and logout. Done. All right, let's try to see the execution. Right click, run on server, restart the server. Let's go. Okay, and if possible, I request you to kindly please eyes on the board. Okay, username Kishan, password 1234, login, and view profile. This is my profile details. Now I want to go with edit profile. So here, Kishan, let me just try to go like B. I'm just trying to go only with B. And here I just want to go with my entire mail ID. I'm just trying to change my mail ID and numbers also. I just want to go like number is starting with 88. Let me go like 66. Let's see what happens. Okay. So three, again, 3, 2, 1. So it's not there. So session belongs to session record updated. Let's try to view profile. And is my data updated? That's it. Now, finally, we need to log out. Sure. So log out. We'll do. Shall I write the logout or else shall I wait for 2 minutes? Please. After that, I'll write logout logic also. Please. I guess it's completed. Shall I go with logout? Okay. Please stop coding. I want to explain this logout. Very simple logic. Literally very, very simple logic. Okay. So obviously logout. We need to deal with the servlet. With servlet, logout servlet. Let us try to create one more servlet. Go to new and here class logoutservlet. Logout servlet. Finish. Could you please tell me? Okay, hang on. Let me just first try to write extends http servlet. After that protected protected void Do post, post, post. Press. Why get in the URL? Fine. Why? Because here we are going with wait. Yeah. Directly we have given in the anchor tag, right? URL. So fine. Log out. And just for confirmation, let us just try to use our use our annotation override. And let me just try to use here also at the rate web servlet. Could you please tell me what is it? Come on. Log out. LOGOUT log out. Done. Okay, so to get HTTP servlet request REQ, comma HTTP servlet response RES throws servlet SERV servlet exception, comma IO exception. All right. Now here, first let me try to get all my cookies. Let me try to get all my cookies. Could you please tell me the code to get the cookie? I want you to tell me the code to get the cookie. The answer is in my question only. Request dot get cookies. Now you know that return type is an array. Which array? Cookie array. Just let me try to go like see. Oh, okay, cookie array. Now here, if okay, just a second. Give me a minute. Okay. Now here, if ERR equal to null, you know it. I know it. What happens if ERR equal to null? Please tell me the code. Request dot set attribute message. What is that message? SE session expired session expired, and I need to forward this to request dot get request dispatcher, and yeah, registr register dot jsp dot forward request response. Done. Cool. If the array is there, means cookies are present in the array, then let me just try to go like else part. I want to get my context object. Context object. Yeah, context object. Okay. Why? I'll let you know. Get servlet context. Okay. Equal to C1 and ext context belongs to servlet context. Eyes on the board. Right. Servlet context. Now in user login, whenever you are dealing with user login servlet, we added the attribute. We set the attribute now. Whenever we are logging in, basically you need to remove the attribute. Yes, of course that makes sense. Huh? Whenever user is logging out, we need to remove his entire attributes. Huh? So context context dot remove attribute. What is the attribute name? In user login servlet, we set the attribute. Once everything is done, once work is completed, we are trying to remove that attribute. Done. Attribute removed. Now, how many cookies we are having? One cookie. What is the index position of the cookie? 0. Okay, now ARR of 0, 0, ARR of 0, starting index version first cookie dot set max is 0. Means I'm setting the expiry time for my cookie. 0. 0 means once line number 29 got executed, immediately that cookie will be expired. Once line number 29 got executed, that cookie will be expired. Now I need to add this cookie to my response. Means here res dot add cookie ARR of 0. Expired cookie. Cookie is not there. So that you will not be able to get the information again. Fname you will not be able to get that. Got it? Now, yeah, let me just try to set the attribute here. Request dot set attribute. Now message is user logged out successfully. User logged out successfully. Done. That's it. Now let's try to execute here. Just a second. Okay. Now let's try to execute. Let me just try to get back here. Right click, run on server. Okay. Okay. Guys, I just want to say one small thing. Whenever we are dealing with register.jsp, register, what is this? Is this register.jsp? Oh, here. Whenever we are dealing with register.jsp, in register.jsp, we are calling message. Yes, we are trying to get the attribute message. Now, in different servlets, this message value will be different. I hope you are getting the point here. For example, please check here only. If register.jsp is triggered from if block, what would be the value of that message? Session expired. So here you will be getting our message as session expired. If register.jsp is triggered in else block, what would be the value of that message? User logged out successfully. So here we will be getting our message as user logged out successfully. Am I clear with that? So let's go for one more time. Okay, user Kushan and 1 2 3 4 login. Okay, view profile. Okay, now edit profile done. Let's try to log out. Let's see. 3, 2, you're not saying 3, 2, 1. User logged out successfully. Again, login page, new user. What if I refresh? Can you see this? User is, I mean, cookie is not there. Cookie got expired. So the reason I'm getting my output as session expired. Dot. Am I clear with this? Please. Please have this. Go ahead. Log out servlet. Context. My meaning is if cookie value is null, literally there is no user available there. Done. There is only one way where the cookie will be expired. That is here. Yeah, Shrant, in line number 32, we are forwarding our request to register.jsp by using request dispatcher interface. No, Shruti, I cannot confirm it without looking at your laptop. I need to see it. Then only I can say. Come. You want me to come? Uh, Edit profile servlet. Profile. Now, guys, I have a small question for you. Yeah, sure. Edit profile dot JSP. Edit profile servlet. Okay, servlet. Edit profile servlet and update profile servlet. Okay, guys, I have a small question for you. Means it's like a task. Eyes on the board, please. Oh, you create your own table, your own database. I'm not asking you, or else I'm not restricting you to any database. You create your own table, your own database. I want this to be done. Your own idea. Your own idea. Means, but I should be seeing all these pages. Employee home.jsp. In employee home.jsp, I should be able to apply leave. When I'm giving a click on apply leave, I should be redirected to apply leave.jsp. In that JSP, whatever the form tags, whatever the attributes input type you are going to, your wish. Employee name, or else like designation, how many days you want leave, that completely your imagination. I just want this project to be done. Yeah, by using cookies. By using cookies. Feel free. This is a scenario. Right? Okay. So dot. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it for today. And tomorrow we will start with session. Some notes is there. After completing the notes, we'll be trying to deal with a little bit lengthy project by tomorrow. Is that okay? Dot. That's it, guys. That's it for today. We'll be trying to continue our second by tomorrow. Online students, I guess you enjoyed our today's sessions. If possible, I request you to kindly please try to message me in the chat. Feel See you guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.